If being good with money isn't about how smart you are, but about how you think and behave, how much do you really know about your own psychology? What if I told you that the difference between wealth and financial ruin often comes down to invisible habits you don't even notice? Let me tell you in short. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of money by Morgan Housel. This book reveals that mastering money has less to do with complex math and more to do with understanding human behavior, risk, luck, and the meaning of enough. We'll uncover 19 powerful lessons that can transform the way you see money forever. Let's begin chapter-wise. Chapter 1. No one's crazy. The author begins by pointing out that people view money through the lens of their own unique experiences. What feels reckless to one may seem normal to another. Someone who grew up in economic hardship may see money as security, while another who saw wealth collapse in a market boom may see investing as risky. No one is truly crazy about money. We're shaped by our own histories, memories, and environment. And that's why two equally smart people can reach opposite financial conclusions. Chapter 2. Luck and Risk. Financial success is never purely the result of effort. Luck plays a role, and so does risk. Even with the right choices, bad outcomes happen. With the wrong choices, good outcomes can appear. Bill Gates' story shows luck, attending one of the few schools with a computer in the 1970s. But his classmate Kent Evans' life ended tragically despite talent. Success and failure are rarely only about skill. Chapter 3. Never enough. Chasing more can lead to risky decisions and ruin. We must know what enough is. Rajat Gupta risked his career for more wealth and ended up in prison. Contentment, not endless accumulation, is the goal. Knowing when to stop protects what you already have. Chapter 4. Confounding compounding. Small gains grow into huge outcomes over time. Warren Buffett's fortune mostly came after his mid-60s. Patience and consistency matter more than high returns alone. Compounding works best when uninterrupted over decades. Chapter 5. Getting wealthy versus staying wealthy. Making money and keeping it are different skills. Getting wealthy requires optimism and risk-taking. Staying wealthy requires humility, caution, and fear of loss. Protecting your wealth is as important as building it. Chapter 6. Tails you win. A small number of events often account for most results. Rare, big wins drive the majority of outcomes in investing in business. It's okay to fail often, as long as you're positioned for the occasional huge success. Chapter 7. Freedom. Wealth is most valuable when it gives control over your time. The ability to choose how you spend your day is the ultimate reward. Luxury goods are secondary to having freedom and autonomy. Chapter 8. Man in the Car Paradox. Buying expensive things rarely impresses others as much as you think. When we see someone in a luxury car, we imagine ourselves in it, not admire the person. True respect comes from character, not possessions. Chapter 9. Wealth is what you don't see. True wealth is invisible. It's money not spent. Flashy purchases are often spending, not saving. Quietly building assets is what makes someone genuinely wealthy. Chapter 10. Save money. Savings give options, flexibility, and security. You don't need a specific reason to save. Living below your means and putting money aside consistently builds freedom. Chapter 11. Reasonable over rational. You don't need perfect logic. Being reasonable is better. A technically perfect investment plan may fail if it causes stress. Consistency and comfort are more important than optimization. Chapter 12. Surprise. The future is unpredictable. Pandemics, crashes, and breakthroughs happen unexpectedly. Good financial planning means being flexible and ready for change. Chapter 13. Room for error. Always leave a margin of safety. Extra cash, lower debt, and backup plans protect against shocks. Room for error ensures survival in difficult times. Chapter 14. You'll change. Your priorities will shift over time. What matters now may not matter in 10 years. Keep your financial plan flexible to adapt to your evolving goals. Chapter 15. Nothing's free. Every reward comes with a cost. Investing returns bring volatility. Business success brings stress. Understanding these costs allows smarter, intentional choices. Chapter 16. You and me. What works for one person may not work for another. Different goals, timelines, and tolerances mean strategies must fit your life. Copying others can lead to mistakes. Chapter 17. The seduction of pessimism. Pessimism sounds smart and cautious, but history shows progress usually wins. Balancing caution with optimism allows better financial decisions. Chapter 18. When you'll believe anything. Stress and greed make people vulnerable to false promises. Scams, bubbles, and reckless investments thrive in these moments. Staying grounded protects your finances. Chapter 19. All together now. The final chapter ties everything together. Managing money is more about behavior than intelligence. Patience, humility, flexibility, and respect for luck are key. Understanding your psychology lets you build a secure, satisfying, and meaningful financial life. And that's a wrap on The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Remember, mastering money isn't just about numbers. It's about your behavior, patience, and mindset. Apply these lessons in your own life and let time, compounding, and thoughtful decisions work for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motivational insights. Which lesson resonated with you the most? You can follow us on different social media platforms. Thank you for listening Audiobooks Guides. Take care because you're the most valuable person to someone. Have a lovely time.